People from different parts of the world speak different languages. Some speak Spanish, some speak Hindi, and others speak English. Not everyone can understand these languages, so that is why translating from one language to another is a crucial part of today's world. But what if I told you that you can make money out of language translation? You don't have to learn different languages. All you need is Google. We will show you a super simple way of translating words from one language to another by using a free, simple tool. Want to learn more? Then you should watch this video. This method of earning money that we will show you is 100% free. You don't need to pay money or invest to make a start. You can do this right away in the comfort of your own home. This is absolutely available worldwide, and you can do this from any parts of the world without restrictions or limitations. You don't need prior knowledge or experience to do this. All you need is a mobile phone, your laptop, and an internet connection. Almost everyone can do this. Make sure to watch this video till the end. We will show you a step-by-step process on how you can earn money just by translating words. Now let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that we're going to use today is called Latium.org. Latium is a freelancing website where people can hire freelancers to do specific jobs. On this website, clients post a project or a job. They put a few details about what needs to be done and publish it for free. After that, they will be receiving time and price quotes or proposals from qualified freelancers. Then they will look at different quotes from different freelancers and pick one that they like or they think fits their needs. They can also pick a freelancer based on their portfolio. Now, when the freelancer finishes the job, the client then pay freelancers with either USD or cryptocurrency. If we look at this section, there are different cryptocurrencies that the client can use to pay the freelancers. We can look at the different jobs that freelancers can offer in the Explore Services tab located here. There are a lot of jobs that freelancers can do, jobs like logo designing, digital marketing, video and animation, programming in tech, and many more. If you hover over the Explore Services tab, you can look at all the jobs that are available to be done by different freelancers on this website. And if we look further into the different services, we can see lots of freelancers that offer their services on this website. You can also see that these freelancers are from different countries, so you can do this from any part of the world. So what we're going to show you here today is how to become a freelancer on this website, and we will show you what job you can do to earn money in just a short span of time. Now, the service that we will offer is translation. We can find this job in the writing and translation categories. We can see here that people offer different translation services. They offer Russian to English, French to English, Hindi to English translations, and more. They offer to do these services for a range of $5 up to $150, so you can make easy money just by translating words. Don't worry, you don't have to learn or study a new language. We will show you a free tool that you can use to translate words from one language to another with ease. Watch this video till the end to know how. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Before we teach you on how to become a freelancer on Latium and earn money, we will first show you how to translate words from one language to another using this one simple tool that is free to use. First, we need to go to Google. On the Google search bar, we search for Google Translate. Now you can translate words in this section. All you have to do is set this to the original language of the text, and then set the language that you want the words to be translated to. Now you're ready to translate some words. For example, we want to translate a word from English to Italian. We first set the first section to English because that is the original language of what you copied. Then on the other section, we set the language to Italian. Now just paste the English text right here, and we can see on the other side that the English text we copied is now translated to Italian. We can interchange the languages using this button. So now you can translate Italian words to English and vice versa. Now for the fun part. We will be showing you how to join Latium as a freelancer. On this section of the website, you will come across two options, I want to hire and I want to work. We pick the I want to work option since we will be working as a freelancer. You will then be asked for your email address, and once you put your email address, just press continue and you will be asked to fill up this form. You put in your username, your first name and last name and password. Once you are done filling up the form, you can just click on the sign up button, and all you need to do now is verify your email address and you're now good to go as a freelancer for this website. Before you list your services on this website, first you need to complete your profile. This is super simple and easy to do. All you have to do is upload your avatar, your birthday, and the language that you speak, and your biography. In your biography, you can write a short description of yourself. And after you do that, you can just click on next, and now the website will ask you the skills that you have. Just speak translation and languages. And pick the languages that you want to translate. More languages means more job that you can do. After you pick the specific skills that you can do, you will be asked about your experience level and those skills. You can just say intermediate. And after you do that, you click on next. Now you can list your services on this website. We will show you how to enlist a service on this website, so just keep watching this video to learn how. To enlist a service, we first need a title for your service. In this video, let's say we'll translate German words to English words. Now we just put on the service right here and write a short description of your service. Then you set the category to writing and translation and the subcategory to translation. You can also add tags on the tag section, and you can just put on German translations or any tags related to it. Before you post your service, it would be good for you to upload a photo of your service. You can use Google Translate for this. Just translate German words to English words on Google Translate, copy and paste the results on a document, and then you can take a screenshot, and you can upload it here. You also need to add how much you're charging for your service. You can choose here how many days you can finish the project, how many words you can do, and the price for the service and other options. You can also add cryptocurrency coins if you want to be paid in cryptocurrency. For the price for translating words, you can just put it to $30. In that way, the price is not too expensive for people. Imagine 5 people availing of your service, you get an easy $150 in your pocket. If you do not want to create your own service, you can just find projects that you can do. Just find projects on the translation and languages category, and you can place a bid to do the project. And once you win the bid, you can now do the project and earn money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.